Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to tell if someone's fake burping. So what you're gonna do is if your friend burps, that means it's a real. But if they don't burp, if they don't open their mouth and burp, that means it's a fake burp. And if they like to make it the burp like this, like 3 times, that means it's a fake burp. So if you hear them open their mouth, that means it's a real burp. So if you like see them burp, it's a real burp. If they open their mouth, it's a real burp. If you don't see their mouth, it's a fake burp. So watch this video to make it look like you tell your friends or something, or some random guy if you're fake burping. So yeah, bye guys.